Hello and welcome to session 3. In this session, we will learn about the save as and the remaining option of file menu. So as I told you previously, the save option is basically used to save the current file. If you add any kind of text in your saved document, again you have to save the file and you have to press Control S. So you will see right now if I add a new text in the save file, like previously we save file name hello, and if you write welcome to the class, so it is a new text. Until you will not save this text will not be saved in your file. So press Control S. So if you press Control S, so now you will see this document is updated. Okay, so now the next option is we have save as. Save as is basically used to create the duplicate file of the saved document. For example, right now we have file name hello, and I want to generate a duplicate file with some another name. So for example, I will go to file and I click on save and click on browse option, and I will go to desktop and I will write here, let's say Pradeep. This is a document, I'm going to save it. Okay, so now if you will go to the desktop, you will see in the desktop we have two files, one is hello, one is Pradeep. If you click on hello, so you will see this is the old text which we have entered in our MS Word file. And now if I open the Pradeep file, you will see in the Pradeep also you will find the same text. So basically save as is used to create a duplicate file in any MS tool. In any MS tool, if you want to create a duplicate file, go to file option and click on save as option. So it will show you it will help you to create a duplicate file of any document. Now next option is print option. Now print option, if you want to print any document properly, so then we have a print option. So shortcut key is Control P. If you click on Control P, by default it is a new feature of new Office tools. MS Word is having a new feature that on Control P it will show you the printer name plus your ready document as a print preview. Both the things will be displayed together. But if you want to learn the print shortcut key, then it is Control plus P. And if you want to see the print preview, then it is Control plus Alt plus I. For example, if I press Control Alt I, so you will see my computer will display. Right now it is not display to us anything. Sorry, Control Alt I if you press, so you will see it will show you the print preview of your document. And in the left hand side, if you will see, it will show you the command of print. So if you press Control P and hit enter, so directly whatever is mentioned in the document, it will be printed by the printer. And right now you will see this printer option. This option will tell me that through which printer you want to print the document. Suppose right now I have a number of printers installed in my computer. So if I want to print a color, so I will select a color printer. Or if you want to print as a black and white, so I will select a HP LaserJet Professional P1102. It is a printer which is black and white printer in my office. So next option we have is setting. In the setting, he's showing print all page. Suppose you want to print only the odd pages. So and odd pages, like suppose you have 10 documents. For example, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 document. Okay, let's we have 10. So you want to print page number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 10. Then you will go to file and go to print, and from here you will select only print odd page. If you want to print an even page, so computer will, if you select even page, so computer will print only even page. It will not print any kind of odd page. That means you will receive the printing of 2nd, 4, 6, 8 and 10 number pages. Okay, next we have print one side. If you want to print both side, then it will be computer will print both side of the pages. Okay, if I select from here, next option we have under the next property is collated. What is collated property actually? For example, let's understand the collated property. It is mentioned 1 2 3 1 2 3 111. For example, I have a total print from page number 1 to 5. Okay, you want to print from page number 1 to 5, so you have to divide this page by using the hyphen key sign. Okay, you want to print page number 1 to 5 and you want to generate a copy of three copies of 1 to 5 page. So if it is collated means your computer will print first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, again first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page. How many times? 3 times. And if it is uncollated, so it means your computer will print first page 3 times, second page 3 times, third page 3 times, fourth page 3 times, and fifth page 3 times. So in this way printing will be done. Next we have portrait. It is a view of your document. Suppose you want a printing in portrait manner, or if you want to print as a certificate, then click on landscape. So your page will be generated in a landscape format. So text is also coming out in while printing in landscape format. Okay. Second, we have letter. By default, A4 size is a default paper of a printer, or letter size also we are printing by default. But maximum, if you want to print a number of big size printing, if you want to do, then we are using A5 paper. Okay, if you want to print in envelope size, so select envelope from here. We will learn this later on, all this thing in detail. Okay, now what is the next option is? Next option is normal margin. Normal margin means if I change the margin from here, you will see if I make it let's say wide, so you will see the margin is affected in the page here. If I change it to mirrored, then it is a mirrored one. Okay, two documents will be displayed at the same time. If you click on normal, so it is by default margin of MS, your MS Word. Okay. For example, next option is 1 page per sheet. It means how many pages you want to print in one single paper. So if suppose you want to do the printing of, suppose you have 8 sheet and you want to print all together, then you will click on 8 page per sheet. So whatever matter is mentioned in 8 pages, it will be displayed in your one single paper. For example, I have, let's say this document is ready right now, so I want to print in 2 paper. So let me go to paper sheet and click 2 pages. Okay, or more than 4 pages or 5 pages. So when I will print, so 4 pages information will be displayed in one single page. Okay, so this is your print option. Hope you understand all this very clearly.